Be attended. Following is the balance sheet of Alpha Company Limited as on 31st March 2014 to 15. So you can make it as on 31st March 14 to 15 and 15 to 16. 31st March 15 and 16 rather. First look at the additional information. During the year, plant costing 50,000, accumulated depreciation 20,000 was sold for 36,000. So, I'm going to tell me all the information related to this. What should we do?
Sir, it is sold, this 36,000 sold.
Yes, one of the marks sold for 36,000 as sources of fund. What else?
Sir, depreciation will in ledger.
Which ledger we will follow? Which method of ledger?
Estimated depreciation.
What else?
50,000 depreciation.
You'll make accumulated depreciation account to find depreciation of current year. What else? How will we find the loss amount or profit? So 36,000 means it's a profit of 6,000. Correct. We have to make that workings and find the profit first. All of it down. Cost of plant sold. Is 50,000 minus accumulated depreciation is 20,000. So book value or written down value of the plant sold is 30,000. Now its selling price is 36,000, means there is a profit of 6,000. Do you understand this portion, everyone? Someone, what will be the effect of profit in fund flow statement?
Sir, O minus.
O minus, mark it as O minus. Then minus it in front from operations, items credited to P&L account but not resulting in inflow of funds. Any doubts on this? Arpan, what else?
So we can ledger.
Which ledger account?
So fixed asset account.
Means plant and machinery account will make it by cost or at WDV.
And cost.
At cost, so obviously in the balance sheet, and keep it in mind, never make it at cost because of this adjustment. Always make it at cost or W from balance sheet point of view. In balance sheet, are you given cost minus accumulated depreciation or directly WDV? Cost minus accumulated depreciation, so follow the cost method. If in balance sheet, suppose directly plant and machinery was given 1,20,000 and 1,38,000, then we would have made plant at WDV. Did you understand this? Here we are making plant at cost because in balance sheet it is given cost minus accumulated depreciation. Any doubt on this? In balance sheet, fixed assets, plant and machinery market as ledger account, as well as accumulated depreciation market as ledger account. As we discussed right now, accumulated depreciation account will make to find current year's depreciation, and plant and machinery's account will make to find purchase of plant and machinery. Okay, so let us first make plant and machinery account. I want all of you score for 15 marks in this chapter. It is very scoring and fixed points are only there. So majority of workings we have already tried, okay? This Saturday I'll keep the test of fund flow statement. Okay, this Saturday we'll keep the test of fund flow statement in the morning. Now, here we are going to make it at cost. So, Pratna, to balance brought down 2 lakhs. Credit side closing balance by balance carried down 2,20,000. Credit side by accumulated depreciation of assets sold, that is 20,000. Okay, are you all clear with the difference in this and WDV? If in WDV, in case we are making it by WDV method, ledger account, then which depreciation will come on credit side? If you are making fixed asset at WDV, book value, then current year's depreciation will come on credit side, and here accumulated depreciation of assets sold will only come on credit side. Further?
By bank account 36.
Yes, it is sold for 36,000, so credit side by bank account 36,000,
Debit side to profit and loss 6.
and profit will come on debit side. Purchase and profit (PP) will come on debit side. So to profit and loss account, in bracket profit of 6,000. Did everyone understand this? Any doubts on it? And whatever balance remains will be purchase. So 220, 50, 76,000, 2,76,000 minus 2,06,000 means 70,000. That is to bank account in bracket balancing figure. So purchase of plant and machinery is of 70,000. Did everyone understand this? Any doubts in it? But then what will be the effect of purchase of plant and machinery of this 70,000? Uses of funds. Okay, purchase of plant and machinery 70,000 will show you uses of fund. Which other ledger account we are supposed to make?
Accumulated.
Accumulated depreciation account to find current year's depreciation. Okay, a lot of practice is done for these workings. Accumulated depreciation account. Now, accumulated depreciation account, Namrata,
Debit side to by bank account.
balance brought down. By balance brought down, opening balance. Okay, opening balance also you can see 80,000 in asset side. So credit side by balance brought down 80,000.
Debit side to balance carry forward.
Debit side closing balance to balance carried down 82,000.
To bank account debit side 20.
Not to bank account, to plant and machinery. Okay, to plant and machinery account, the accumulated depreciation of machinery sold is 20,000. So to plant and machinery account, 20,000. And now whatever balance remains is current year's depreciation. So 1,02,000 minus 80,000, 22,000. 22,000 is by balance. Sorry, by depreciation account in bracket balancing figure. Okay, this depreciation is current year's depreciation. Did everyone of you understand this? And the page, what will be the effect of this depreciation? 22,000. Now, O plus. Fund from operations will add it as a non-cash expense. Okay, let us discuss the question further. Adjustment 2. So far we have done only adjustment 1, okay? The debentures of face value of rupees 30,000 were converted into share capital at par on 31/3/16. Now, understand this portion properly, everyone. Debentures are converted into share capital. Okay, means conversion of debentures into equity shares. Can I say debentures account will be closed and debited with 30,000, and we are giving them equity shares. So equity share capital account will be credited with 30,000. Okay, in exams you may not write this entry, this is just so that when you revise you are able to understand it. Now, debentures, we are redeeming, we are giving them equity shares, means it is redemption of debentures and conversion into equity shares. So this redemption of debentures will come in uses of fund, and simultaneously we are issuing them equity shares of 30,000 that will come in sources of fund. Okay, so this 30,000 will come in uses of funds as well as sources of funds. In uses of funds, we'll write it as redemption of debentures, and in sources of funds, we'll write it as issue of equity shares. Do you understand this portion, everyone? So, write down this journal entry. And see in balance sheet, we will see later on. If difference is 30,000 itself, then no problem. If it is more than 30,000, we'll see what is to be done. One more thing, interest is, debenture is converted on 31,316. So how will you count interest? On opening balance. Means see in balance sheet 8% debentures, what is opening balance? So you'll count interest on 1,50,000. Write down there in the balance sheet. Interest on 1,50,000. Sure, what were the two effects? O plus and uses. Mark it as O plus and U. So 1,50,000 8% is 12,000. Interest will count on 1,50,000, 8% is 12,000, O plus as well as uses. We'll add in fund from operations as a non-operating expense and we'll show it in uses of funds. Adjustment 3. The company further issued 5,000 shares of 10 each at a premium of ₹1 per share during the year. So, sale. Quite simple one. Netra? 55,000. What will you do? Effect? Sources of fund. Company further issued 5,000 equity shares of 10 each but at a premium of 1 per share. So this sources of fund, issue of shares at premium. But what will be the amount raised through the issue of shares? 5,000 into 11? 55,000. So 55,000 will show in sources of funds. The company paid a dividend of 40,000. Amen? O plus. Raj? Uses of funds. All of you mark dividend paid as uses of fund. What else, Raj?
So there will be no ledger amount.
Why?
Because opening and plus same.
Opening and paid is same. All of you see in balance sheet. What is opening balance of proposed dividend? That itself is paid. That means what is closing balance of dividend? That itself would be proposed in the current year. So in closing balance 40,000, write down O plus. No need to make the ledger account. Because even if you make the ledger account, all the four figures will be 40, 40, 40, 40. Okay, so basically when opening balance I told you itself is the dividend paid, then no need to make the ledger account. Closing balance itself will become dividend proposed. Okay, so this dividend paid 40,000 will come in uses of fund and closing balance of proposed dividend 40,000 will come in O plus. Reason why we are not making the ledger account because opening balance 40,000 and dividend paid 40,000 are same. Any confusion with this? Same adjustment. Issued bonus shares of 20,000 during the year. Now be addendum. This will have no effect in fund flow statement and we will write it as a note. When we issue bonus shares, we have studied in last semester. What is the journal entry? When bonus shares are issued, what is the journal entry? Issue of bonus shares was a chapter included in last sem. Reserves account debit to bonus to shareholders, and then second entry bonus to shareholders account debit to share capital account. If you combine it, then bonus gets cancelled. So what is the entry? Reserves account debit to bonus to shareholders, or directly if you pass a combined entry then to equity share capital account. Now what is this reserves account debit to equity share capital account? What is the amount of bonus shares issued? 20,000, okay. This 20,000 of reserves to bonus to shareholders and reserve and bonus to shareholders to share capital means you are just transferring the money from one pocket to another pocket. Liability side, what amount was appearing under the heading reserves. From that you cancel the amount and include it in share capital. Practically, is there any inflow or outflow of funds taking place? So this is an internal activity of the company which does not really result into any flow of funds. It does not affect fund flow statement. This will have no effect on fund flow statement. Okay, it is just transferring the money from one account to another account, but there is neither any outflow of funds nor any inflow of funds. Any confusion with this? So get on this entry and we'll write it as a note first. And particularly which reserve will be used? Do you remember the priority of reserves to be used? Capital redemption reserve, we don't have any liabilities then. Security premium was the second priority. We have it. How much of security premium is there? But then we have issued bonus share of 20,000.
So that 5,000.
Exactly. 5,000 of new premium has also come. Just now we discussed in the previous adjustment that 5,000 of equity shares are issued at premium of rupees 1 per share. So how much more premium we are going to collect? 5,000. 15,000 is already there. Plus 5,000, 20,000. That 20,000 is used in giving equity shares. So specifically instead of reserves you mentioned security premium. Did you understand this? And how this security premium of 20,000 is arrived? 15,000 is already there. Plus 5,000 we have received in the current year through issue of shares. Let down as a note below that. Issue of bonus shares. Issue of bonus shares is a book transaction. Issue of bonus shares is a book transaction which involves transfer within the company without involving outsiders. Any confusion with this? So therefore it will have no effect in fund flow statement. Any confusions in this? All agree with it? Now, next adjustment. The net profit for the year is 1,05,000. I have told you about this in earlier questions. What we have to do with this? Ignore. Let us ignore. Because we always start with closing balance of P&L minus opening balance of P&L. So automatically we'll get this amount in our solution. Okay, ignore that. Then tax paid 87,000. Users of funds, market as U, and in what else?
Provision for taxation amount is not same, so we will make like this.
Correct. In balance sheet, provision for taxation is opening balance same as the tax paid. Yes, is it same? No. What is the opening balance of provision for tax? 60,000. And what is paid is 87,000. So we will have to make provision for tax ledger account. Market as ledger account in balance sheet. Provision for tax account will be made to find current year's provision for tax. Opening balance of 60,000 will come on credit side. Buy balance brought down 60,000. Closing balance of 50,000 will come on debit side. To balance carried down 50,000. Yes, tax paid 87,000 will come on debit side. To bank account 87,000. And now whatever remains will be the current year's provision for tax. So 87 plus 50, 1,37,000. And 1,37,000 minus 60,000, 77,000. By profit and loss account. In bracket balancing figure. Is everyone clear with this? Any confusions? What 70? Right? 87 plus 50 is 137. And 137 minus 60 is 77. Okay. So what will be the effect of this provision for tax of 77,000? O plus. It will be added in fund from operations. Did everyone of you understand this? Yes, see the question further. Agam, institutional loan was further raised on 1/4/15. What do you mean by institutional loan was raised? See in balance sheet. What is opening balance of institutional loan? And closing balance? So what do you mean by institutional loan was further raised on 1/4/15? We have borrowed 8,000 on 1/4/15. So effect. Borrowing means money is coming in, sources of funds. Mark it as everyone. And what is the relevance of the date 1/4/15? Interest will be counted on closing balance. So against institutional loan in balance sheet, liability side, write down interest on 23,000. What is the closing balance? 23,000. Do you find it?
Yeah.
Because the date is given 1/4/15, we will count interest on the closing figure, that is 31/3/16 figure. So interest on 23,000, same to effects O plus and U. 23,000 into 9%, 2070. That will come in O plus as well as uses of funds. Any doubts with this? Now remaining balance sheet items, see that. What is opening balance of share capital? Closing balance? Difference of 1 lakh. Now, we have already got all the effects of difference of 1 lakh. In the sense, how much of debentures are converted into equity shares? So out of 1,30,000 is given to debenture holders. Then adjustment 3. How many of equity shares are issued in the market? 5,000. So 50,000 is issued in the public out of 1 lakh. Okay, out of 1 lakh, 30,000 is given to debenture holders. 50,000 is issued in public. So 80,000. How much remains? That is issued as bonus shares. So complete effect of 1 lakh is already 30,000 we are going to show in sources of fund. 50,000 also we are going to show in sources of fund. And for 20,000 there will be no effect. That's issue of bonus shares. Is everyone of you clear with this? So no need to do any further markings. Markings in adjustment 3 and 2 are already done. Anyone having any doubt in this? Raise your hand. All of you are clear with this? Further, security premium also no effect. Reason that new shares which are issued at premium 55,000 we are going to include in the sources, and this 20,000 will have no effect because it is issued or it is utilized in giving bonus shares. That will have no effect. Any confusion with this? Surplus, Raj. So surplus means reserves and surplus. So closing balance of surplus minus opening balance of surplus will be the starting point of fund from operations. Institutional loan, already in 7th adjustment we have marked it as sources. 8% debentures in this workings we have already marked it as uses. And its interest also we have already marked as O plus as well as U. Then Netra, trade payables, current liabilities. Then Dipesh, salaries payable, current liabilities. Then Namrata, provision for tax. Okay, provision for tax we have already done the markings. Proposed dividend we have already done the markings. Plant and machinery is done. Accumulated depreciation is done. Namrata, land. Land is not current asset. Effect tell me in one pro statement. Uses of fund. What is opening balance of land? Yes, 1 lakh. What is closing balance of land? What does it mean? 50,000 of land is purchased. Where will you show purchases of land? Uses of funds. Okay, mark it as U. Then say inventory, current assets. Some are trade receivables, current assets, and large cash, current assets. Any confusion in this? All are clear with the markings? So let us first make schedule of changes in working capital. Alpha Company Limited, schedule of changes in working capital. Particulars 31/3/15, 31/3/16, changes in working capital, increase and decrease. Is that proceeding with it be ended? First we will show current assets. In that inventories 90,000 and 1,25,000. Now current assets have direct relation. Inventory is increasing by 35,000. So working capital will also increase by 35,000. Did you understand this? Then trade receivables. $45,000 and $40,000. Again, it has direct relation. Trade receivable is decreasing by 5,000, so working capital will also decrease by 5,000. And then cash, 50,000 and 70,000. Cash is increasing by 20,000, so working capital will also increase by 20,000. We'll get total current assets. So 90, 130, 1,85,000 and 120, 60, 230, 5,000. Total in bracket A. Then current liabilities. In that trade payables, $30,000 and 25,000. Now current liabilities and working capital have inverse relation. Trade payable is decreasing by 5,000, so working capital will increase by 5,000. And salaries payable $10,000 and 15,000. Now inverse relation, salaries increasing by 5,000, so working capital will decrease by 5,000. Did you understand this, everyone? So total be 30 and 10, 40,000. 25 and 15 is also 40,000. Now A minus B will give us net working capital. So 1,85,000 minus 40,000, 1,45,000. 2,35,000 minus 40,000, 1,95,000. And here we'll simply do the totals. Total increase is 60,000. Total decrease is 10,000. And then we will do the balancing. 1,95,000 both the sides. 1,95,000 minus 1,45,000, 50,000, and even 60,000 high total both the sides, and 60,000 minus 10,000 is also 50,000. Increase in net working capital. Okay, from 145 it is increasing to 195, means it's increasing by 50,000. Or else also you can say total increase is 60, decrease is 10, means overall there is an increase of 50,000. Anyone having any doubt on this? All are clear with this? Now we will make fund from operations. Make the format. Now fund from operations, how will start this? Be written closing balance of surplus. That is 75,000 less opening balance of surplus that is 10,000. So 65,000 is net profit during the year. Any confusion with this? Now, can you see it doesn't match with fifth adjustment? But don't get confused. The fifth adjustment net profit is given is always after appropriations. In this net profit, if you add an appropriation of proposed dividend, what is proposed dividend? 40,000. That is to take in retained earnings. If you add that, and what is 65 plus 40? 1,05,000. Okay. So actual net profit is 1,05,000, but in fund flow statement we have to begin in this manner only. So always ignore that and don't worry if it doesn't match. Okay, it will always match after considering the appropriations. So including the proposed dividend of 40,000, you will get the effect of 1,05,000. Okay. Then you will add items debited to profit and loss account, but not resulting in outflow of funds. So O plus items. Now liability side we get interest on institutional loan that we have to count on closing balance 23,000 into 9% 2070. Further on liability side we have interest on debentures. Now in case of debentures we have to count on opening balance. So 1,50,000 into 8%, 12,000. Liability side there is further proposed dividend marked as O plus 40,000. Asset side we have no O plus. Now adjustments, workings, profit we have to do O minus, depreciation of 22,000 from working note 3 is O plus, then from 6th working provision for tax 77,000 is O plus. Did you understand this? So all O plus items are taken 12, 14, 54, 76, 1,53,070. If we add that, then 2,18,070. Then we have to minus items credited to profit and loss account. But not resulting in inflow of funds. So there is only one item of O minus in the whole question, that is this profit of 6,000. Profit on sale of machinery in bracket working note 1. 6,000. Directly outer column only one item. Okay, and 218070 minus 6000, 212070. Fund from operations. Understood this, everyone? Then last we will make fund flow statement. So Alpha Company Limited fund flow statement for the year ended 31/3/16. Fund flow statement first will show sources of fund. Very first we'll start with fund from operations 2,12,070. Then liability side, no other item is marked as its. Asset side, no other item is marked as its. Adjustment 1, sale of machine 36,000. Then adjustment 3, issue of shares in public 55,000. $5,000 into 11, including premium, 55,000. Third adjustment, we have done the workings for that. Working note 4, issue of equity shares against debentures 30,000 is to be shown in sources of fund. So issue of shares against debentures 30,000. No other sources of fund can be seen? No. In actual workings, any other sources of fund do we see? No. So that is all. Is everyone clear with this? Total sources are taken into consideration. So institutional loan is also marked as borrowing of institutional loan. You can see in balance sheet 15 and 23,000 means 8,000 is borrowing of institutional loan. Okay, so 2,12,000, 48, 3,03,000, 33, 41, 341,070. From that we have to subtract uses of funds. Now liabilities side, interest from institutional loan we have marked as uses of fund. That is 2070. Okay. Also interest on debentures 12,000 we have marked as uses of fund. Then liability side we have not done any other marking of uses. Asset side, purchase of land 50,000. No other marking asset side. In adjustments, in adjustment 1 we have made workings of plant and machinery and got purchase of plant and machinery 70,000 for uses of fund. Okay, so purchase of machinery in bracket working note 2 70,000. Adjustment 2, we have made working note 4 and got this redemption of debentures as 30,000 of uses of funds. So redemption of debentures by equity shares 30,000. Did you understand this? Then adjustment 3, we don't have anything. Fourth adjustment, dividend paid 40,000 as uses of funds. Adjustment 6, tax paid is 87,000 uses of funds. Okay? And any other workings, we get any other uses of funds? We don't get it, okay? So total uses of funds will be 12, 14, 291, 070. What is the difference? Do we get the same in the first step or not? So 50,000 is increase in net working capital. Did every one of you understand this? Any doubts in it? So fund flow statement chapter is over with it. Okay? Your homework noted down for Monday. In fact, do it by Saturday because you have the test on Saturday. And any doubts, then ask it to me. So, page 49, question 13. Have I given 14A in homework so far? And 14A also? 15A, 16B, 17, 18A, 20B, 21. All exam questions should be done by Monday. Okay, all means every day do at least one question. So even if you show it to me not by Monday but Tuesday, Wednesday, it's fine. By Monday you must be able to, like, today is Wednesday, so Wednesday question 13. Mark it as Wednesday 13, Thursday 14, and show it to me every day. Even in idea, bring it. Otherwise, you all will try to do all the 6 questions on Sunday only, and virtually you will not be able to do. So tomorrow you have to show 13, Thursday. Friday you have to show 14. Saturday you have to show 15. Monday you have to show 16. Again Tuesday you have to show 17. Wednesday 18. Thursday 20. And Friday 21. By next Friday all the questions should be over. Is everyone clear with this? Cash flow statement now will start on Monday. Workings in cash flow statement is going to remain same.